So still doing garden stuff. Peppers and eggplant here typically do late stuff in middle Georgia. So starting peppers early doesn't really help you a lot. Although the hot peppers that we planted out at the farm have started, well, the cow horns have started to put on fruit. I don't remember the jalapenos. Anyway, on other peppers, show you a trick that I kind of discovered by accident last year with germinating seeds. So this is a little takeout cup that sauce or something would come in. And I've got some seeds that I saved. These are from Fresno peppers. I put them in water. In this case, I had the lid, and I put the lid over the fridge, or lidded it and put it over the fridge so that the heat from the fridge rises up and would, warm them up. Last year when I did this, I didn't put them over the fridge. I think I had them sitting in the kitchen window. But as you can see, lots of little squiggles. Like I said, these are Fresnos. Last year I did it with poblanos really, really late in the season. And last year I think we had 50 poblano peppers come from seed. And it was probably from, a single plant. Use tweezers from here. And pick up the seed, don't pick up the root part. And take that little squiggle. Well, anyway, take that, put it in some dirt, put a little bit of dirt on top of it. And in a couple of weeks, not in a couple of weeks, in a couple of days, this is what your seedling looks like. I think this has been in the dirt for 4 days, 5 days maybe. And then in another 5 to 10 days, we get secondary leaves, which means it's almost ready to transplant. I wouldn't transplant it this small. You want the tertiary leaves, or the third set of leaves, to come on, and then it'll be ready for transplant. But like I said, these usually produce late in the season, and they're peppers. They kind of like the heat, and they kind of like dry. So we're no big hurry for these, although we do like the fruit. Okay, so it's been 5 days. This was just a squiggle when we put it in the dirt 5 days ago. You can see that the plant is coming up. The leaves haven't yet separated. But this one, you can see that the leaves have separated. And from the previous segment, this plant, because of the odd-shaped container, now has secondary leaves on it. And this was the oldest, most mature plant, and now it has tertiary leaves on it. So once the root cluster gets a little bit bigger and it puts a little bit of height on there, maybe another 5 or 10 days we can put it in the dirt. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.